Today I have a futuristic looking power bank called the Shargeek 170 or the SP170. Although I have two other power banks, and even though power banks are not that interesting, this black one here is from Anker, which I've had for almost 3 years, and I use it to power my GH5. And also this one from a company called Gouda, that's a solar powered and also has a hand crank system that you can use it to recharge it in the case you were out on a hike where there is no electrical power. The SP170 is setting back $170, and that's approximately $1 for every 1 watt. As a 170 watt power bank, it comes in this lovely looking case with a manual, the power bank itself, a cloth carrying bag, and USB-C to C cable, which is a 240 watt PD cable that's very long. Now, from already looking at this power bank, I'm very pleased with the design, and it looks and feels very premium. Power banks may not sound exciting, but when they look like this, you get excited. It's incredibly easy to hold, feels premium, and holding it feels great in hand. Straight away, you notice that it's got a shell which allows you to see all the internals, the capacitors, the diodes, and it's exciting how well arranged and labeled the internals are. It weighs approximately 667 grams, and when placed on the table as I have here, it's easy to see the info display screen as it's angled. And I like how bright and colorful the screen is, and it's fantastic that it's OLED. You can see the recharging time or how much is left for the power bank to fully get charged, the output and input wattage, and how fully charged the device is. To one of the sides of the power bank is the charge logo, the big yellow button, which you can use to power up or wake the device up when the display goes to sleep. When pressed, you can get to see how much charge you have left and more. Double pressing the big yellow button switches it to a low current mode for low current devices like Bluetooth headsets and wristbands, and to exit this mode, all you have to do is double press the same large yellow button again. The company says that this only works for 2 hours, after which the device will automatically exit this mode. There's also 2 USB-C ports that can be used to power the devices and also charge the power bank to a max load of 140 watts, and lastly, USB-A port, which is just for powering other devices at the maximum output of 30 watts. Another feature of the Shargeek 170 or SP170 is that it produces a warning alarm when left in a hot environment for a very long time. It does this to prevent overheating. There's also a warning when there is an overload on the system, which is another great feature of this power bank. On this other end of the power bank are all the output wattages the SP170 is capable of providing in case you want to have a quick glance. It's right there for you, and it is well detailed, as sometimes you want to be sure that the power bank is able to power up or charge a particular device. It's even more fascinating that this power bank, which is able to output 140 watts of power, is able to be charged at a maximum of 140 watts. So to be able to charge at such great speeds would require you to have a charger that can output 140 watts of power. The SP170 can power my Blackmagic Pocket cameras, even though I'm currently filming with my Blackmagic 6K Pro. I will demo on the Pocket 4K and the GH5. Let me get the cables. So I have my Blackmagic Pocket 4K and my Panasonic GH5, and I'll show you how this power bank is able to power these devices. First things first, I'll get the cable. So this is the blind spot cable if I want to connect my Blackmagic Pocket 4K to a power bank. So that's the cable. One end is the end that goes into the Blackmagic. The other end is a USB-C port or USB-C end. So I'll plug in this end into my Pocket 4K. I'll make sure there are no batteries inside. So there's no battery inside, as you can see. I'll close that, put that there, and I'll connect the other end to the power bank. So automatically it lights up, and it's telling me that I have 59 minutes and 59 seconds left, and it's already telling me that it's taking up about 0.6 wattage. That's the output. Input is 0, and it's at 100%. So I'll leave that there for now so you can see, and I'll switch on the Pocket 4K. And that's my hand moving in front of the lens. That's the cable plugged in. And I'm reading 6 hours and 25 minutes left at 100%. And it's telling me that the camera is sucking up about 11.2 0.8, but it's going up and down, roughly 11 watts. And if I look at my Pocket 4K, I can see that it's telling me here I'm taking up about 11 volts, or about 11.8 volts. So that's it powering up my Pocket 4K. Then I'll connect my Panasonic GH5. So that's the cable that's connected to my Panasonic GH5 using a dummy battery. And I'll plug it into the USB-A port of the power bank. And I'll switch it on. And that's it, it's on. And let's see how much in total it's taking up. So both cameras are taking about 20.8 watts of power. And if I was to leave this on, if I was supposed to record, it would take about 4 hours for the 2 minutes with a fully charged power bank. I can connect more things to this power bank, but I just wanted to show you guys that it's capable of doing that. So I'll quickly just turn it off. And my wattage reduces to about roughly 11, and I'll turn off my Pocket 4K. The SP170 easily also powers my Sony a7 IV, which is a camera that's getting the close-up to my right here via the USB-C port. And with all this, I can see how much time is left on the power bank, which is helpful if I was out filming. Apart from the cameras, I can power up my portable Colbor W100, a 100 watt light, and the craziest thing is that it can power this 100 watt light even at 100% brightness for about, I think, a minute plus. Let me show you. So I have the Colbor 100 right here, and I need to get the USB-C to C cable. So this is this is the USB-C cable that came with this power bank. It has a power delivery of 240 watts, so this is a very capable cable. I'll plug it into the USB-C part of the light and plug the other end of the USB-C cable into the power bank. So that's it, and then I would click to turn on the light. So I'll show you the back of the light, and I'll bring it closer. You should see that it's about 0%. All right. So I'll slowly increase the brightness. So get ready for light. So that's 1% brightness. What I'll do is I'll turn it back just to face the wall. Probably turn it upside down. Yeah, so it's at 1%. Hope you can see, it's at 1%. And if I press here, it should go to 25%. You can see the brightness is increasing. 25%. Should now be at, so this is now 50%. I want you to look here. I'll zoom in for you in post. 25%. So that's what, that was 50%. This is now 75%, and that's 100% brightness. And the power bank is telling me it's sucking up 90 watts, hovering between 90 and, let me just take it closer to you. And this time around, it's telling me that it should last about 54 minutes at 100% brightness. Just to show confidence, 100% brightness, I'll take this closer to you. Or I'll flip it over. That's super bright, so you can see that that's 100% brightness. So this is a very versatile power bank. It can power your MacBook Pro. It can power your low current devices like your earphones, like I earlier mentioned. So this is a very versatile power bank, capable of powering most, if not all, your filmmaking tools, from wireless transmitters that require 5 volts of input power to mobile phones, portable wireless microphones, cameras, and even 100 watt portable lights like you earlier saw. Now the SP170 also has pass-through charging, so you can charge up both the power bank and your device at the same time. And when you charge multiple devices at the same time, the charger automatically adjusts output to each device for the most reliable charge. This power bank is also airline safe at only 86.4 watt hours, so you can easily put it on your carry-on without having to worry about issues at the security checks. It also has the important safety protocols you would expect from a power bank, and these will keep you and your devices safe. Another fantastic thing is that it has an IP66 water resistance rating, so you don't need to worry about splashing some of your coffee or water on it if you happen to have them on your decks. If you guys want to pick up this power bank, I will put in links to the video description, and if you guys enjoyed this video, it really helps on my channel if you give a thumbs up and consider subscribing. Thank you all for watching. I hope you have a great day, and as usual, if you've got any questions, let me know in the comment section down below and I'll get back to you. It's your filmmaker. Peace.